Hello guys, welcome back to this video. So there's a whole lot of scamming, I don't know, okay, about the phantom wallet, and you know, nobody's saying anything about it. All right. I don't know if it is from phantom itself or if it's from a group of persons or they're about doing this thing. They keep withdrawing money from one phantom wallet to another, and nobody is saying anything. Phantom is not even doing anything towards this. Okay, now this wallet you are looking at right now, okay, is a new phantom wallet I just created specifically for this browser. And then I made a deposit of 1 Solana into this wallet because I wanted to use it. All right, so if I go to my activities for this particular wallet right here, okay, you see that on January 6th, okay, this Solana, okay, this was the balance after I sent 1 Solana into this wallet. This was the balance that was remaining, okay, and 0.97 Solana was just siphoned this day, okay, at exactly this time that you see here. All right, as in the money was withdrawn from this wallet. This is a completely new Solana Phantom wallet that I just created. I've not linked it to any website at all. I've not used it on any website that you say, oh, it's because I use airdrop. They have scammed me because I did airdrop and all of that. I have not linked this Phantom wallet to anything. Okay. So why I'm making this video is because this particular wallet, it has happened to 3 of my Phantom wallet. This is the 4th one. All right, this is the 4th one. Okay, the one that happened this morning was actually about 0.88 Solana. Okay, there is another one about 0.12 Solana. Okay, and it goes on like that. And I'm wondering what exactly is going on. What exactly is going on? If I come in here to soul scan, you see, okay, this is the transfer that was made on the 6th of January to this and all of that. Then one just happened this morning on another of my phantom wallet, guys, on another of my phantom wallet, right? So what exactly is happening? Can someone please explain this to me? What exactly is happening? And if you have had any experience where everything on your phantom wallet or even your Solana on your phantom wallet was actually transferred and you don't know where it went, please leave a comment in the comment section. Let it not be that it's only me, or is it that the whole of my devices have been compromised and all of that? That for Solana wallet, I can no longer have Solana on my Phantom wallet. I can no longer degen because that's the whole essence of putting Solana inside of my Phantom wallet. Okay, I can no longer participate in all this, meme coin trading and all of what exactly is going on. That Solana will just be wiped out of my wallet without me doing anything with that Solana wallet. This is the 4th Solana wallet. Okay, the one that happened this morning is the 4th Solana wallet that I will just have money in it, and then before I know it, all of my Solana will be transferred out. All of my Solana will be transferred out, right? And if you start tracking the wallet that is doing this thing, for instance, for this particular one, there are different wallets actually. So the money will come in and they will transfer it out immediately. The money comes into the wallet and they transfer it out immediately. And you see it, they say the owner of this wallet is system program. Okay, if you go to the system program wallet right here, you'll see that the total transaction that this wallet has carried out is over 4 million. Okay, and then you can see 428 million. Okay, you can see all of these things. You can actually go and start looking at this wallet and see what these guys are doing right here. I don't even want to start going into those details, but the thing now is what exactly is happening. Has your phantom wallet been emptied? If I'm not the only one here, use the comment section and let me know. What is going on with phantom? What is going on with phantom? Can somebody actually let us know what is going on with phantom? What is going on with phantom? Is it that it's no longer safe for us to use Phantom? What other way can we protect our Phantom wallet? Because this particular account that you're looking at right now is a new account. And yet, I've not connected it to any website. I've not used it for any airdrop. And yet, all of my money was actually siphoned. All right? It has happened to different 4 Phantom wallet, like different 4 Phantom wallet. What exactly is going on? That you will just wake up one morning and then your Solana is being transferred at. What exactly is going on? Can somebody explain? Okay, if you have had any experience where your wallet, you woke up and then everything on your Phantom wallet disappeared, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, And if there is any way Phantom can come across this video, I don't know what is going on. Right? I think they need to improve on the security of this system. I don't know. How can I have 4 different Phantom wallet and everything? This one is 0.9. Okay, the other one, the one that happened this morning is 0.88. Okay, the other one was 0.12. And if you combine everything, they have taken more than 4 Solanas from me. With the current price right now, that is over $1,000 plus. What is going on? What is going on with Phantom Wallet? I guess Phantom Wallet is no longer safe. So if you have your money on Phantom Wallet right now, okay, it's not an advice, but you should learn from experience. I think it's right time you take out your money. Don't use Phantom Wallet as a platform that you can use to save your money. Okay, if you don't have what you're going to use to trade there, and if you're not trading, this is weekend. What am I going to do? Looking for Degen this weekend and all of that, and everything is siphoned out. Please be careful. Okay, that's the whole essence of making this video. Be careful. I don't know what is going on out there. Phantom is really weak, and people are really scamming us. So be careful, guys. Okay, let me know in the comment section if you have been scammed. If your Phantom wallet has been emptied, let me know. Let me know it so that I will know that I'm not alone here. Okay. But if it is just me, then it means that maybe my device that I'm using this thing on has been compromised. Okay. I'll see you guys in the next video.